Hey, welcome back, guys. Don't mind my brother smiling. Very weird. Sorry.
You told me to.
Yeah, I did. Sorry if the audio's bad. I don't have my mic on right now because my brother's coming. And also, I'm sorry if it's shaky. That's because it's me walking. So, I'm not holding it. It's caught. Let's see. Both of my hands. And there he goes. Off to the battlefield. Please fall. Great YouTubing. We fall. Boo. You didn't fall. Oh, here comes little Zoe.
Oh yeah, don't mind that bike has gears since it's a mountain and it has 2 brakes.
All right, boys. Let's go check the sheepers.
We can come in this
Yep.
door right here.
Well, don't tell them what. Like, God, don't do that either. All right, we're not turning on the feeder yet. Just go. Then we'll turn the feeder on at the end. Oh, my calves are in here. I forgot.
Yeah.
I'm just joking. I didn't forget.
One's mine.
All right, these are all our sheep. If you want, you can see all our baby lambs. It's going to be hard to hear us. Sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Just caught one.
There's our little lamb right there. We have to go make sure none of them dead. If some are, I'll see if I can blur them out. I'm sorry if they are. So I'm eating our mineral. Look at that BioReg right there, boys. BioReg. Go check that out. Oh, I'm just joking. Oh, Zoe catching one. Oh, look at that. Hey, don't run them. You don't have to do that for that one.
I know. I just like it. Well, this is a little lamb. You see? Little whitey.
All right, put him down. Put him down.
This is Milky.
Here's.
My brother's calves, if you would like to just walk.
I wish Jeffro was still here. Jeffro was our favorite sheep, but she died. Kind of disappointing. But it was during all this cold, this weather. It's also very muddy. If you guys didn't know already. Woo, doggies, it's muddy. All right. So the little Hereford is my brother's, but when we sell them,
They're going to be counted as his money.
yeah, when we sell them, I probably give some to my mom and dad because, you know, they help me work them and stuff, but yeah.
Yeah, they do, but don't even tell them. I can go in, but it'll scare them out because I have done it before.
Don't do that.
I'm not done.
We'll turn the feeder on in just a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
There's some of our stalkers.
Got my school pants.
Yeah, sorry for the audio. I mean, I can't do anything about that.
Yeah, we got those, but they're my favorite.
No, not from the sheep because of the wind.
The one in the sheep.
Look at that one.
So we have these.
Oh, look at that sheep. Look at that lamb. Look how colorful that thing is. Hey, Zoe, don't run them out there, okay? All right, Jackson, stop. You're running them all. You'll run them out of breath. Well, don't try to catch a sheep. That would end terrible. Hey, look at Sadie. Close it so the sheep don't get out, you idiot.
Get out of the way, you stupid! Get Zoe!
Don't call him stupid. Jackson, what are you doing? Jackson was flat out tugging her. Close the door. Gosh dang, you're gonna let him out. Oh, you guys suck.
Hey, boy, yo, what you doing? Hey, yo, what you doing, yo?
Look at them eating. Look at that sheep right there. No idea what's happening. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Alright, that's our little video. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
Hope you try to enjoy it and do not comment down below.
Don't comment. What are you talking about?
Yeah, comment down below. If we hit 10 million, comment down below. Comment down below.
Okay, first of all, did he just say 10 million? Let's get to 100 first.
Okay. If we hit 10 million, 100. Hey, if we hit 10 million subscribers, my brother would give out a green Vivo card.
We already did that.
10 million, 100.
Alright,
10 million, 100.
see you guys later.